I'm tovyTreez with Backyard Degens, and today we show you how to warm some wood and start a fire in the rain.
Also, show you what you should put in your fire kit. Start a fire after a heavy rain.
Just all the shit you need. Just build a fire. It's a cheap lighter. Waterproof, safety, matches. Very good to have. But one of the biggest things is having an accelerant. Cotton ball. So what we're going to do is take some petroleum jelly with the cotton ball. Get enough on there saturated. Put that in the corner of your bag. You're going to want to do that with each piece. Hold on a second, let me finish the scene. So there, like that. Like that. Keep that with your fire bag.
I'm going to show you a little bit of a twist on the cotton ball trick. Instead of using the cotton balls, a little bit of a cheaper route, you can just collect a little bit of this nasty hairy dryer lint. Some of this petroleum jelly here, and you take a pinch of this here dryer lint. No, a ton. This will probably do you. You can make it easier to start fires in damp conditions like it has been out here. Slathered up with Vaseline. Apologize for the. There you go. You tear that off, and then you're gonna put it in between like a sandwich there. And stick it all together.
The river has rose 8 feet.
Alright. Filming.
Oh, it's recording.
Now another trick you can do, take a little bit of slightly damp tinder like that you've collected, put it right in your pocket there. It's just going now.
One time. Do it again. That's with the Vaseline, and it will create a fire hot enough so you can keep going. I'm like, that needs to discard. Like, we're done. It's a bad idea. I gotta try ideas, bro.